Hi viewers! Today we're analyzing Google's latest AI mode updates specifically designed for the back-to-school season. As an award-winning white label agency that helps digital agency owners leverage cutting-edge technology, we've conducted an in-depth analysis of these 4 major feature rollouts to assess their impact and potential applications. Google has announced 4 significant enhancements to AI mode: PDF and image analysis capabilities, Canvas project organization, Search Live with real-time video input, and enhanced Chrome browser integration. These updates represent Google's strategic push into educational technology and multimodal AI interactions. The first major update introduces comprehensive PDF and image analysis capabilities. Users can now upload documents directly to AI mode, which then analyzes content and cross-references information with Google's search index to provide contextualized responses. From a business perspective, this feature addresses the critical need for document comprehension and analysis in educational and professional environments. The cross-referencing capability effectively transforms static documents into interactive learning resources. Current availability is limited to desktop browsers in the US and India, with mobile support already live. Google has indicated expansion to Google Drive integration and additional file formats in upcoming releases. This positions Google to compete directly with document analysis tools like ChatGPT's file upload feature and specialized educational platforms. For educational institutions, this could significantly reduce reliance on third-party academic support tools. Canvas introduces dynamic project organization capabilities within AI Mode's interface. This feature enables persistent, multi-session planning and information organization through an interactive side panel that updates based on user interactions. The persistent storage capability addresses a significant gap in conversational AI platforms: the ability to maintain and build upon previous interactions. This creates a more comprehensive workflow management system. Canvas directly competes with established project management tools like Notion, Asana, and Microsoft Project. However, its integration with AI-powered research capabilities creates a unique value proposition. For organizations, this could streamline project planning workflows and reduce dependency on multiple specialized tools. Search Live with video input represents Google's most advanced AI capability implementation, leveraging Project Astra technology to enable real-time visual analysis and conversational interaction. This feature combines Google Lens visual recognition with conversational AI, creating a multimodal interface that processes visual information in real time while maintaining contextual conversation flow. The real-time visual analysis capability creates entirely new interaction paradigms. This technology has significant implications for remote education, technical support, and professional training applications. Currently, no major competitor offers comparable real-time visual AI interaction at this scale. This represents a significant technological moat for Google in the AI search market. However, the feature requires substantial computational resources and is currently limited to mobile devices through the Labs program. The enhanced Chrome integration strengthens Google's browser ecosystem by embedding AI mode capabilities directly into the browsing experience through the Ask Google About This Page functionality. This integration leverages Google's dominant browser market position to create native AI interactions within users' existing workflows. The side panel implementation maintains productivity flow while providing AI assistance. While other browsers offer, Google's approach provides contextual analysis of current page content. While these features demonstrate significant technological advancement, several limitations impact immediate market viability. Geographic restrictions to the US and India, English-only support, and 18+ age requirements limit addressable market size. Document upload features raise data privacy and security concerns for enterprise users. Organizations handling sensitive information should carefully evaluate Google's data handling policies against compliance requirements. Our testing indicates strong performance across standard use cases, but complex technical queries occasionally produce incomplete or inaccurate responses. Professional verification remains essential for critical applications. Based on our analysis, these AI mode updates present significant opportunities for educational institutions, training organizations, and knowledge-intensive businesses. The PDF analysis capability alone could transform document-heavy workflows. Organizations should consider pilot programs for available features while monitoring Google's roadmap for broader geographic and demographic availability. Early adoption could provide competitive advantages in educational and research applications. For maximum benefit, organizations should plan integration strategies that leverage multiple features simultaneously. The Canvas planning feature combined with PDF analysis creates powerful research and project management workflows. Successful implementation will require user training and workflow adaptation. Organizations should prepare change management strategies to maximize adoption and ensure proper utilization of advanced features. Google's AI Mode updates position the company strongly against competitors like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Anthropic in the educational AI market. The multimodal capabilities and search integration create distinct competitive advantages. Based on Google's announcement patterns and technology roadmap, we anticipate global rollout within 12 to 18 months, with additional language support and expanded file format compatibility. The Google Drive integration will be particularly significant for enterprise adoption. These developments indicate the broader market shift toward multimodal AI interfaces and integrated workflow solutions. Organizations should prepare for rapid evolution in AI-assisted productivity tools.